Obim. 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 Do you know that every breath that comes out of you carries bundles of your messages to me? Do you know that every pump of your heart strikes the string of my soul? Do you know that smiles draw map on my face every time the screen of my phone spells your name? Do you know that my heart drips every time you say my name? Do you know I fall in love with you again and again, in every second, every minute, every hour, and every day of my living? He came. I hear a knock on my door, and I ran on my heels to get the door. But alas, only the whispering breezes I found, with bundles of white roses, saying something, their lips bringing forth air so cool, so soothing, so alluring to my ears. I am listening to their sweet murmurs with my some attention, and I hear a fine melody in their gentle whispers, your name in the fineness of rhymes, the only tune that features my heart. Nkem, I think of you, my love, and every liquid in me form bubbles of joy. I dance to the rhythm of your breath, for I hear the sound of your song in the whispering breezes. Every lip moves with the shape of your name. Every wheel and every whistle and every noise say nothing but your name. Ifem, I am scared. I am scared I may go insane, for this feeling is too enrapturing. I feel lost, I can no longer find myself. I see only you in me. There is no me. I am just you, my beloved. I am you. Angorim. You are the joy that scares my fears. You are the liquid that wets my taste. You are the only food that fills my soul. You are the drummer that plays the tune my heart dances to. You are the engine house of my thoughts. You are the only one every me yearns for. You are the flute that say my name so soft. You are the reason I am breathing. You are the one, Obim. You are the one I love. Obim. I sit here waiting, my beloved, as the naked sea beneath the sky, to splash smiles on your face, when our lips fold in morning kisses, rolling our tongues in free passion, wrapping our thoughts in soft hugs. Oma Serem, I sit here, my love. I sit here waiting to read you poetry of love in lines that would soothe your soul. Utom, I am lost in you, my beloved. My every thought is you and of you.